Alrighty, now here we have another garden tour, folks.
Yeah.
I'm here with my good friend and neighbor Herman, and he's got House Beautiful Garden. It should be on the magazine. So right here on my take on home and garden. So Herman, how long have you loved gardening? And
I had no interest in gardening when I was a youngster. I used to watch my parents do these things and I used to hate it. But then as soon as I grew up, when I became an adult, and I came to this country way back when in the early 60s, and I bought my first home when I was about 30. And I live in Long Island, New York, and then I have this huge backyard, and I says, I'm gonna do my own thing.
oh yeah,
So I go out and I grow just about everything, from herbs right up to vegetables.
even medicinal stuff. huh?
Yeah, right.
You've told me about before.
Right.
Fabulous stuff.
Yeah, I just love it. Then I moved to Florida here, which I have much more space.
Yeah. He gives the whole neighborhood, keeps them in vegetables and goodies. Plus, you make up a lot of stuff and you freeze a lot of stuff.
Yes, I do. I freeze a lot of stuff. So when it comes, and when things come dormant, when it get real hot, July and August,
Yeah.
Everything sort of comes in. So what you do with all this stuff, you grow earlier, for like the spring.
Yeah.
Because right now it's spring, so everything is blooming, beautiful.
Right.
So I put away stuff for when it, when it get hot, and when it's really get real cold. There are some plants and vegetables that I have that they love the cold weather.
They
like
like the
cabbage.
Right, and then that's when you put it in later, right? In the year.
Yeah. I put in sometime like September, so down into November, December. I got a lot of stuff coming in because even kale, broccoli, cabbage, they love the cool weather.
Yeah.
They love the cool. Even lettuce. They
That's
love.
amazing. Let me get behind the camera and show the people how beautiful your garden is.
Oh,
If
okay.
you'll give us that tour.
Okay, great.
Look at this garden, folks. Now, what did you put? Is this a lime?
That's a quinine lime.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Looks like a lime.
a lime, and it bear all year round. All year round it bear. And right now I picked so many limes off this tree.
Nice.
This was such a good investment. It started bearing from it was a little thing.
Yeah.
All the way up to, you see this height here? I got this thing over 5 years, this plant here.
Oh, wow.
And look at it. It bears and it just keep blossoming.
Show them the fruit on there.
Yeah.
Look
Yeah.
at that.
Yeah,
That's beautiful.
And this comes all year round.
So they're key limes.
Yeah, the key lime lime.
They're a tiny one, but
they
they have
lots
a
of
big
juice.
kick.
They have a lot of juice too.
No kidding.
Lots of juice.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Hey, there's nothing like a key lime pie now.
that's right.
Do you find that one tree's enough for you and your wife?
Yeah, oh yeah. If I had 2 trees, it would be too much lime. This thing bears all year round.
Oh my goodness, that's nice.
I picked a handful of lime yesterday,
Yeah.
and look how much lime it. And as soon as it's gonna start, now it's spring, it's gonna start blossoming again.
Yeah.
And this is all okras here I'm growing.
Okay.
This is all okras.
Okra.
Yeah, okra.
I wouldn't recognize that
Yeah, and they.
myself.
As soon as they get about a foot tall, they started to bear, and they keep going until they go as much as 8 feet. Yeah,
They
go
started the foot tall.
tall. Yeah,
Oh my.
and they started down, and so you pick them, they grow. And over here is lettuce. All this is lettuce.
Beautiful. Is that like a bib lettuce?
Like this is Roman lettuce.
Roman.
This is
Okay.
Roman lettuce.
Wonderful. What's that big
The collard greens.
collards? Oh yeah.
That's collard greens. What happened? Why you see it stay like this? You started to pick the leaves from way down here.
Yeah, I see.
You take the leaves off instead of cut the tree down. Instead of cut the tree down, like just cut it down and let it stop. You keep on just picking the leaves.
Yeah, I see, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You pick the leaves until you're tired of picking. Yeah.
How long's that keep going?
it keep going until that's about when it starts to get real hot.
Okay.
Yeah, when the weather gets, all of this is all string beans right here.
Beautiful. Look
Look
at
all
the
of-
size of them.
Yeah, all string beans.
Wonderful.
And this plant right here, we cut it each time. We cut it right now. We cut it and eat it. Cook it up just like spinach.
Yeah?
Yeah, we call it callaloo.
I'll be darned.
Yeah. Callo.
Just probably islanders know that.
Yes.
But-
We call it callaloo, but more likely if like I'm explaining it to you now, it's easier for me to say, well, this is spinach.
Yeah.
You cook,
Sure.
you cook it up just like spinach.
Okay, wonderful. What kind of flavor do you get out of that?
You gotta actually season up with onions and pepper, garlic. Beautiful taste.
Nice.
You can eat it. You don't have to have meat. And this over here is the. You know what this is? It's a kale.
Look at this. Here's the kale. Look
how,
at the
look
size.
how huge they are, right? It's the same thing like collard greens. You just keep picking the leaves.
Right. That is healthy and beautiful.
Right. That's kale.
That thing, it looks like a hedge.
Yeah.
Look at the size.
I know. Look at the size. Yeah.
That is amazing.
You want to see the size broccoli I got here now?
Oh
Look
my
at-
God.
Wow, well, look at it, man. Look at it. I eat broccoli all year round because I plant 2 seasons. Look at the size broccoli I got in here.
Oh my goodness.
Wow,
Beauty.
and they're all big, huge.
Beautiful.
All of this here, the smaller plants over here and over there,
Looks like carrot.
carrots. That's carrots.
Yeah.
Over here is also carrots too. All this bed here, over here, all of this is carrots.
Oh yeah, wonderful. Look at that soil too. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, because I put that
I know you keep
mushroom compost
mushroom compost.
and garden lime and
Yeah.
mix it in. It works beautiful.
Nice.
I don't have to use real fertilizer because the compost took care of everything.
Got you.
But what I have to do, what I do with the soil, I turn it over every time. I turn it over. I don't just dig it up. I turn over my soil, put the stuff in, put the lime in, and let it sit for like a week or 2 before I even put anything in it. And this is what it turned out to be.
Oh my goodness.
This is cabbage over here. It's cabbage.
Nice.
As one set of cabbage finished, I plant another set. This is my spring cabbage. I just finished my fall cabbage. And all of this is cabbage. And it's the same vegetable stuff here. This is my it's my callaloo.
What I noticed with you too, you have more than one section
Yeah,
of the same. You know what I mean? And you kind of mix it up.
right. Yeah, yeah. I don't.
That works. So what do you got here in the middle? It's so pretty right now.
Right. That's that's sorrel.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorrel.
Is that the one you make a tea?
that you can make a tea or a drink out of it.
Okay.
Yes.
See,
Yeah,
I remember some of the stuff you told me.
Right. You see this now? This is a young one. So now it bear now, but it's not gonna no problem. The tree's gonna get much bigger,
Oh my
and
God.
you're gonna push out a lot.
That thing is.
And you could just, you see this bulb here? When the
Huge.
tree gets bigger and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You could just pick it off and just take the red stuff off it and put it in the smoothies with like you want to mix it with kale, broccoli.
And make your
and
smoothie.
Make a smoothie.
Oh
Right.
boy.
Yeah, and it goes through your system so nice, you know.
Nice.
It works for
Good
me.
for longevity, right?
Well, it works for me.
Yeah.
It works for me. A lot of the stuff you see I got here, I don't really go to the store for much when it comes to vegetables because I always have something coming in.
That's fabulous.
Because I kind of get the hang since I moved here. I kind of get the hang how to plant my stuff. Like I do a planting like in September, February. All of this stuff here, I put it in February. January, February. What you see
Wonderful.
coming in right now,
Yeah.
I put it in the cool weather. Yeah, this
Right.
is the cool, just like it's spring now.
That's what it thrives.
Yes, because
Yeah.
the heat is too much heat. It's not. You see
Right.
how beautiful these plants are. When it gets hot, They don't do good.
Yeah, that's what happens to our flowers and stuff too.
Exactly. So you gotta have good timing when you plant, when you do these things.
I got you.
Yeah, this is the panganati tree. So these little red bulbs you see here, these little things here,
Oh yeah, right.
they're gonna grow big, and they have seeds in them. You know, panganati.
Okay.
You see them. You see them in the store, in the supermarket. We eat it just like that. You know.
Oh,
We break it and
just like a fruit.
just like a fruit.
Yeah.
We suck the seeds and everything. But this is when you get everything out of it instead of make a drink out of it.
Nice.
Yeah.
I see.
This is all celery.
Wow.
Yeah.
You gotta really know what you're doing to grow celery.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty.
Yeah. They're coming nice.
No kidding.
Look at the size pumpkin I got here.
Beautiful.
Different from this squash, you know, different
Oh.
from the ones I got in the back there.
Yeah.
I got a bunch of them over here. Wow, right next to the fence. I got a bunch of them in the woods here.
What's this bush?
That's what you call Scotch bonnet pepper.
Oh. Scotch bonnet
Yep,
pepper.
yep.
Look at the size of the thing.
I'm telling you, you should see the size pepper I get off it. It's all blossoming now.
Oh my
You
goodness.
come back here in a few months, loaded. See all of this? See the white blossom there?
Yeah, that'll be loaded.
Yep.
Oh my God, that is something.
This is the same pumpkin there.
Oh, pretty.
Yep. And over here is a different type of pumpkin, different size. It's different type of pumpkin.
Okay.
See, that's the squash. This one is a different one.
Oh yeah. And there's another little papaya.
Oh yeah,
Eh?
oh yeah. And this one, this how tall this one grow. I had to take a ladder to get them off.
Oh, I gotta show that because
You see how tall?
I wasn't looking up.
You're
Look
looking
at this one.
The more you pick it, the more it bears.
That is cool.
Pumpkin. And look at my tomato. I've got big tomato on my tree already. I got some nice tomato on my tree, man. Loaded.
Already got the
Yeah?
fruit on there.
Yeah, lots of fruits on it.
Nice.
Yeah. Plus I put in some more plants here. You're gonna, you know, I don't want all of them to come in at the same time.
Yeah, very, very smart.
Yeah. So you see this now, when this thing bloom and almost finished, now I got new ones coming up.
Right. Right behind it.
Yep, yep. So you try not to put in everything. You space them out when you put them in. I
Very
even got pumpkin next door. Yeah, I just go around the fence and pick them when they come in. Yeah,
You got pumpkins growing on the neighbors
yeah,
because they climb the fence?
yeah. They're kind of.
Oh.
If you can see it from here, look right over there in the bushes. there's
Yeah,
pumpkin
right
up.
through.
Yeah.
Right through. That's a riot. Well, what do you got in the pots over here?
Over here is a mango tree. This is another mango tree I'm going to put in the ground soon.
Look at those pretty leaves. New.
Yeah.
All new. That looks real good.
And this is a tropical plant. This is a plant we call aki. It bear a fruit and then open, and you pull the fruit out of it and cook it and eat it.
No kidding.
Yes,
Never heard of it.
never heard of it. I would have to show you the picture to show you what it looked like. Over here is my June plum. These June plum.
June.
Yeah,
Plum.
June plum. You peel it and you can make a juice of it, and you can eat it right off the tree.
Be darned.
They get big when they mature.
Yeah.
They don't stay like this. They grow. I just eat off about a half a dozen off of this limb here. Just this week here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at it, blossoming again.
Yeah. Brand new on top.
Yep.
All new. Really different stuff.
Different stuff. I could get up and come in my backyard and find something to eat.
Yeah. And you do it. I mean, you really live it.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. I could in my house and say, what I'm gonna eat. I just come in my backyard, and my wife do the same thing. She just go out and we find something. Then I got my herbs over here. And this tree over here, pick the leaf, you see it, it's blossoming now. And you see the fruits that it bear.
Yeah.
We cook it and eat it. And you see these fruits here?
Yeah.
When you see all these blossom here come out, and when it bear, what happened? We don't make it get too hard, because if you look on the tree, you can see a lot of them that spoil because we didn't pick them in time.
Okay, right.
We have to pick them just
they're-
about
They're high.
when they medium size, like before they get real hard. And when you cook them, we go to the store and we buy this what you call bacalao, which is, you guys call it the saltfish that comes from up in there in
Okay.
Newfoundland.
Yeah.
So you buy that saltfish and you cook it, pick it up, and you mix it with this.
No shit.
Beautiful dish.
No shit.
Yeah, I eat it and I send it to friends all the way up into New York, because a lot of people who know it, you can't grow this up in New York. Only in tropical places can really grow it.
Honest to God.
Yeah, and this brings beer all year round. Sometimes I go without meat for maybe a year, sometime a 2 year.
Oh, really?
And there's another time I'll eat I eat a steak once a while, you know.
Yeah.
But meat is not a thing that we indulge in.
I got you.
I eat mostly fish.
How can I thank you for showing us today?
Yeah. Okay, buddy.
Okay, folks, I told you I had a special neighbor. What a good guy, huh? So look at, if you like this content and you want to see more, share and like this video. Subscribe to our channel, and you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. As always, thanks for watching. The best subscribers going on. We'll see you in the next video.
You run in the tree and it beer on the tree. Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. Just beer right on the tree.
Oh my God. The
I'm-
vine went up in the
Yeah.
tree.
Run right up in the tree and still beer.
That's great.
There's another one over here in the tree there.
You got some great air pumpkins.
Yeah.
Look at that. The vine climbed up, and there she is. She's not even sitting in the dirt.